Good morning! Today our goal is to determine the average speed of this Superman toy. Notice the video went from a regular video capture to a slow motion capture, and it turns out that'll be a useful view for us today. So to determine the average speed, we need time and distance. To record the time, we're going to use the slow motion part of the video. We're going to start our stopwatch when Superman hits the position to where the arrow is pointing. Altogether, we're going to record 2 laps or 2 cycles of motion. So get ready. It's stopwatch time. All right, we're going to start our stopwatch in just a few moments. Right. Now, start your stopwatch. All right, that's 1 lap. And stop your stopwatch. Right. Now, that's 2 laps. Now, the other aspect of this problem is that we have to record the radius of the circle. I know the meter stick is a bit blurry, but one of the arrows is pointing to the 60 centimeter mark, and the second arrow is pointing to the 70 centimeter mark. To do this, you could use the period key to advance the video 1 frame forward, and you could use the comma key to advance the video 1 frame backward. So in a moment you're going to see a different view of Superman as he goes around, and what you're looking for is where Superman's head is with respect to the ruler. When the head gets very close to the ruler position, again you could use the period key to advance the video 1 frame forward, or the comma key to advance the video 1 frame backward in order to get the radius. So here's the view we want. Once again, when you see Superman close to the area of interest, then you're going to use the period key and the comma key to move the video back and forth 1 frame at a time, and then line up his head with the position on the meter stick, and that's your radius. You could also use this video to record the time if you wish. So here's the table I'd like you to complete today. Please note that I'd like you to get 4 different times in slow motion for the 2 laps of Superman going around. So you may have to watch the video multiple times in order to get that data. Your ultimate goal, of course, is to complete the table and determine speed. Here are some useful equations that you'll need to complete the calculations in the table. Remember, show all your work underneath the table. Have a great day. Bye-bye.